and welcome to the Haven Crochet and Craft Learn to Crochet series. In this video we are going to be doing the double crochet stitch. Now for the double crochet stitch you are always going to chain 2 more than you want your actual work to be. So in this case I want my finished work to be 5 stitches, so I went ahead and chained 7. So go ahead and do that now if you haven't done so already. And then what we'll do to perform the double crochet, you start out by yarning over, and you are going to skip 3 stitches since it's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, and you're going to go ahead and insert your hook into the 4th stitch. Okay, now you've got 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through just 2 of them, leaving 2 left here. Yarn over and pull through the last 2. Okay. So that beginning, those extra chains in the beginning counted as your first double crochet, and then you've got your second. So we're going to go ahead and count this as our third. Insert the hook after you yarn over, pull up a loop, and then you're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now we have 3. This is 4, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through 2 more. Alright, now we have 1 stitch left in our chain. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Alright, so we have 5 stitches here in our series. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Each post counts as a stitch. Okay, now when you get to the end of your row, you are going to chain 3. Okay, you turn your work. This is your turning chain, but it also counts as your first double crochet. So you are going to go ahead and skip this first stitch here that's at the base of this because it's already there, it's your chain. So we're going to yarn over and insert our hook into the second chain, second stitch, excuse me. Okay, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through the last 2. So now we have 2 stitches. Okay, this is our third. Let's continue this on to the end of the row. Okay, our 4th stitch is right here. Pull through 2, pull through another 2. All right, last stitch. Kind of, sometimes you have to give it a little bit of help here. Get it through. Oh, got it. All right. Pull through 1, pull through 2. All right, you have 2 rows of double crochet. If you like what you saw, you're learning a lot, and you'd like to learn some more, go ahead and click subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much.